Struggling with mood swings, irregular periods, or low energy? There's a natural way to support your hormonal health, and it starts with Moringa. Want to experience the power of this miracle plant? Try Moringa Magic Supplement. Link in the description below. Today, we're diving into how Moringa, often called the miracle tree, can help women maintain hormonal balance, naturally and effectively. Whether you're dealing with PMS, menopause symptoms, or stress-induced imbalance, Moringa might just be the superfood your body's been waiting for. Women's hormones are deeply affected by diet, lifestyle, and stress. The key hormones like estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, and insulin need to stay in balance for overall wellness. Here's where Moringa steps in. Moringa is packed with vitamins A, C, and E, calcium, iron, and essential amino acids, all of which support hormonal production and function. Unstable insulin can throw other hormones off balance. Moringa helps regulate blood sugar, which is critical for women dealing with PCOS or mood swings. Stress is a major hormone disruptor. Moringa contains antioxidants and adaptogenic properties that help calm your system and support adrenal health. Getting all of Moringa's benefits from raw leaves isn't always practical. That's why we recommend Moringa Magic Supplement, a high-quality, easy-to-use capsule packed with all the powerful nutrients you need. Want to give your hormones a natural boost? Grab your Moringa Magic Supplement today. Link in the description below. Take charge of your hormonal health naturally. Say goodbye to the ups and downs. Add Moringa to your routine and feel the difference. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out Moringa Magic Supplement. Link is in the description below.